unbelievable. Oh, this is just unbelievable. What?
Oh my god!
What is happening? This is absolutely insane.
There's the beat!
I feel like it's hard to breathe. Oh my god. This is so totally creepy.
Oh my god, the sun!
Oh my goodness. This feels so weird.
Look at the sunrise, dude! It's at every direction!
Oh my goodness. There's like sunset, sunrise, every direction. People are going nuts. This I did not expect. I don't know what I expected, but...
Oh my god!
This just looks so wrong. You can see these prominences, the solar corona coming out at the top left and right and the bottom. I can see Venus directly above me.
You can see the stars.
Oh
my god!
What? What is this? What? I just don't even know. We are inside totality. I am kind of speechless. It is just unreal right now. Isn't it?